Pero ako ito nakahawak.
Mamaya tumayo yan. Mamaya tumayo yan.
Is that your Hector?
No?
Hector, come out, come out.
Hey, where's Miley Cyrus?
You're so shallow.
Try mo ang tumayo.
You're a gay, you're wearing Fendi.
Ah, no.
Yeah,
Basta hindi ko malas yung kamay ko gago.
Sige nga. Sige nga.
Pag nakatayo ka, sabihin hindi pwede. Nalalayo mo pa.
Paano hindi?
Pero ito talaga eh, lumalabas ano? Iron Man!
Saan man yan?
Iron
Oh.
Man!
It's earthquake!
Ayan ano, Iron Man tayo. I am Iron Man! Pop, pop, yan na eh.
Okay, hanggang 3 minutes yun. 3 minutes per video yan. Talaga, yung ilong. Dito. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, come on.
Get that fuck away.
Say some shit, baby. Come on. Talk dirty, baby. Come on, talk dirty.
I'm a shit all over your place, oh yeah? I'm a pee in this house. Shit. Oh wait, what? Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's the life.
Oh yeah, this is awesome. Awesome. Say it.
Lalabas na ako.
Paano?
Lalabas na ako, Tol.
Ayan, nakikita yun.
Kapatay bulgan. Atin po, sa nagbabagang balita, ang Mount Mayon.
Pero mo, sabi mo kung nararamdaman mo ha.
Oh, what the fuck, man? That was Hector right there.
Hindi nararamdaman mo pa?
Oo, putang ina mo.
Hindi, kailangan laliman pa natin yan. At malalim na yan.
Nakakal. Ow!
Come on, Hector, come on.
Nagasgas yun eh. Hayop yung pinaglalaroan niyo na ako, hayop na yun ah.
Come on, show me your